Good morning, students. Student, see, these are the great people who gives freedom for our country. They sacrifice their life to give freedom for our country. See here, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, all these are the great peoples who give freedom to our country. They fight for give freedom for our country. And see here student, he is a great person, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and all people lovingly call him Bapu or Bapuji. We call father of the nation. Okay student. Now student, today we are going to learn our next lesson. The name of the lesson is A Great Leader. See here. Now I will read the lesson. You all put your finger there and read after me. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hunting others and killing them. But Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs, and yet he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly call him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. Okay, we know Bapuji as a father of a nation. It's a very big award given to Gandhiji, Bapuji. See here student, Mahatma Gandhi was the great leaders, okay, who is the one of the special person because all the leaders at that time win their wars by hunting and killing them. But Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms. Okay, arms means weapon. He never used any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, but till he won the war of Indians independence. It's a very great achievement. So, all the people lovingly call him Bapu or Bapuji, means father of nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Okay, give the underline here. Iron will means strong determination. The meaning of iron will means strong determination. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onward, he never missed the prayer. Okay, what happened student here? Gandhiji was man of iron will, means full determination. If he decided to do something in any matter, in any situation, he did it. Okay, so no matter how difficult it was. And one day what happened? He decided that he would have an early morning prayer, okay, every day, and from that day onwards he never missed the prayer. Okay, he never missed this activity. This is called determination. Okay, when you think about anything to do, then any difficulty you have to do it. It's called a determination. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. Give the underline here. This question comes in your exam. Gandhiji, what give a lot of importance? Gandhiji give a lots of importance to truth, satyata, simplicity, very simple behavior, very simple atmosphere, and non-violence. Non-violence means never do any war. Okay, he want silence. That is not hunting others. Gandhiji dress was very simple. Just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn about the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Okay. Now see here student, Gandhiji give the importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. The Gandhiji never like violence. Okay. So at that time Gandhiji dressed only just a loin cloth. The meaning of loin cloth means a dhoti worn about the knees. Okay, he always wears, see here, the get-up of Gandhiji. He always wear the loin clothes or dhoti worn about the knees. Okay, and sometimes he take a shawl. Okay, and it is not like this. Gandhiji not afford fancy and fashionable clothes, but this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. The meaning of deliberate means planned, done on purpose. Okay, it is not like this. Here, he not afford all the fancy clothes. Of course, he could, but Gandhiji wear always these types of clothes, and there is one reason. Just see what is this reason. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gather in large number to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at this public meeting or lecture. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their womenfolk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes, be it cold or hot. He never changed his simple dress. See here, student, why Gandhiji wear the simple clothes? The reason given here. Once what happened, once Gandhiji was visited in Odisha to give a lecture, and when he noticed there no women are gathered there. Okay, the number of women to listen this lecture is very minimum. When Gandhiji inquired about it, at that time Gandhiji found that the people in that specific part, the people are very poor, and the ladies, they are not having any decent clothes. Okay, the meaning of decent thing to wear means appropriate clothes for the occasion. So they are avoid, all the women they avoid to attend these types of public function. Okay, when Gandhiji listened it, at that time Gandhiji was deeply pained, means very unhappy, very upset, and from that time they keep away. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this, and from that day he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. The bare minimum of clothes means the least possible that is required, nothing more than that. Okay, and be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. This is behind why Gandhiji wear the simple clothes. Okay. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. See here, student, once what happened here? Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference. The meaning of conference means a large formal meeting. Okay, and the King George of England gave a reception to the participant. Participant means a person who take part in the particular activity. At his palace, people received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. This is the period when England ruled over our India. So the George King gave some special dress up for all the participant. See what happened here? People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Okay. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Okay, see here student, when all the people they are very excited to see Gandhiji would wear these special clothes or wear the same clothes, simple clothes, but at that time Gandhiji made it very clear that I would dress up in his usual dress. Okay, means lone clothes and only shawl, and visited to the King George, England. He would be what style of dress the British approved so long as the people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear, and why I am wearing these types of clothes. So he decided I am not wearing the special clothes, I wear only my usual clothes. Okay, the bother means worried. So, the meaning of bother is Gandhiji was bothered by what style of dress the British. The meaning of bother is worried. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and shawl. Okay, Gandhiji came in very simple clothes. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. The meaning of extravagantly means in a way that cost a lot of money. Okay, very costly dress the King George wear at that time. Gandhiji was asked whatever he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Okay. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Okay, so Gandhiji was represented there, our country India. So all the Indian people they are very happy because Gandhiji dressed like them. Okay, although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons. He had millions of staunch followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. See here student, Gandhiji did not use any weapon, okay, but still all the staunch followers he have. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people means people who have been prevented from developing or growing freely. Okay, at that time Gandhiji always used the path of truth, simplicity. Okay, and he always follow the path of satyagraha. Okay, satyagraha means satyaचा मार्ग, satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India. He is not famous in India but in all the part of the world. Okay student, now we know about how our Gandhiji was doing all this work. Okay, now see here student, two more great freedom fighters informations given in your textbook, and this is your homework. Write down this information in your notebook. Just here, first of all, the great fighters Lokmanya Tilak, okay, who is always said Swarajya is my birthright and I will have it. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. ओके, these words said by the Lokmanya Tilak. Read all this information and write down in your notebook. And just see here, he is the great woman Savitribai Phule. Okay, now she is give the contribution to open school for girls. At that time, no schools for girls. Girls only doing the housework. And she is the great woman who gives chance to all the girls, all the women to become a literate. Okay, to give the study properly, to educate. Okay, she is the great woman. So this is your homework, and write down more to information about any one great leaders. Okay, prepare a short speech about anyone them present in your class, in your house. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.